So today our topic is how to do manual spying of our competitors. What kind of ads are running on Bing, because our network is Bing. So we are going to promote CPA offer using Bing ads. So first of all, we have to go open bing.com and just check out the settings, on which settings our Bing account is. So just make sure the language should be English and location should be United States, because our offer is going to promote in United States. So just check out everything. Now go for some particular keywords, on which keywords what kind of ads are running right now. So first go for paid service. So just scroll down. Yeah, this is ad. So this is the first ad on this particular keywords. So just copy down. So this will give lots of idea to create ad copies when I will create ads on Bing. So just copy down everything in doc file for our reference. Just paste here, and so this is the first idea of ad. So this is our headline, and this is our website, and this is our ad copy. So I think this is very clear. So again go for another example. Again this is also ad. So want a cash for your products, want cash for your products, get paid cash for your purchases. So this is also ad. So just also copy down this whole entire ad. So again, so these are the two ads running on particular keywords. Again go for some other keywords. Now go for cash service. Cash of money. Again this is very good keyword, and just check out what kind of ads are running on this particular keyword. So this is also ad. Take survey and win Paytm cash online survey to earn money. So just again copy down everything and paste into doc file. These ads will give you idea how to create ads in our Bing account. Okay, and go for another keywords. Online survey, online service for money. So yeah, take survey for money, survey to earn money, sign up for free. So I think this is already copied down. Yeah, this is already copied down. No need to copy here. Again, just be rewarded for free rewards, price label, survey for money. Again, I think this is also no. You can copy down this particular ad. So in this way, we will get lots of idea what kind of ads are running, what is the keywords on which we can bid. I hope this is clear from my end. So in this way we can do manual spying. For our competitors. This will give you lots of idea. So today's video is all about how to do manual spying using bing.com, because our ad is going to promoted in Bing ads only. So we have to check out what kind of ads are running on Bing, and on the basis of those ads we just copy down everything in our doc file, and this headline, this ad copy will help you to create ads on Bing. That's it guys, and I hope you will understand what is my intention in this video. So if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will definitely answer to your queries through comment box. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and please share my videos so that others can also learn from our strategy and they can also make money online. I hope that's it from my end today. I hope that's it from my side. Thank you so much.